to my channel. So in this one I'm using Jeffree Star's Blood Sugar palette, which is set to be restocking again soon. If you want to see how I create this very colourful pink, red and purple look, then continue watching. So for this look, I'm going to go in with the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. I don't really know what look I'm going to do first, but I want to use like the purples and the pinks and the red colour. So Cavity, this one, I think that one's Blood Donor, and also that's Root Canal, that purple one, and also Prick, which is a red. I'm going to got it on my fingers. I'm going to pick up the little brush that I have, I think, with this one. So this is the Morphe M433. I'm going to pick up this brush first, or shall I do... No, we'll use that one. So I'll go in first with the lightest colour out of them all. So what I'm going to do is pick up Prick, which is that red colour, on this brush. Add this right into the crease, but in like the inner corner of the eye, and I'm going to wiggle that brush in there first, and then what I'll do is I'll use the pink one, which is Cavity, and then the purple one, which is Root Canal, on the outer corner. And I have primed my eyelids with the Smashbox 24-hour primer. I haven't put any loose powder on. I'm just going to do that now because I don't want any fallout, and because these are quite pigmented shadows, I don't want any fallout on me. Because as you can tell, my base is already done. You want to pack this colour on and then work it into the crease. So once you're happy with the colour payoff, you can then move on to the other eye. You can see how pigmented these shadows are, that it's really easy to put the colour straight on. Now I'm not going to change the brush, I'm just going to keep the same brush but take off the excess red colour on a tissue, and then go in to Cavity, which is that bright pink colour. Put this straight on the middle section of the eye, again onto the crease, and you want to wiggle the brush backwards and forwards. You want to also tilt your head back a little as well, just so you can see the eye space and you can clearly see the crease. And this is straight going into the inner corner, not the inner corner, the middle section of your eye. You want to do the same on the other eye, and by doing this as well will help the colours to blend into one another. And again, wipe off that brush again and go in with that dark, bright purple rather, which is Root Canal, and put that straight in to the outer crease. I'm just going to slightly wing it out a little too. Again, this will just help when you're blending in the lower lash line. You can see that red there, that pink, and then the purple. Now it looks very harsh at the minute, but I'm going to go in with a clean brush to blend out the edges. I'm going to pick up a little bit of Coma, which is that darkest purple in the palette, and put this on the very outer corner of the crease, and this will just bring some dimension. I'm applying this to the V of the eye. So now what I'm going to do is blend the edges, and I'm going to pick up this Real Techniques brush. I think it's the slanted blender brush, I'm not quite sure. But I'm going to start from the inner, and just circle around the edge of these shadows, just to blend all those in. This has got no product on it whatsoever. This is just to help the outskirts of where that shadow finishes in the crease. Just want to make sure that the inner corner is blended. I'm thinking whether to do a cut crease or not, because I don't really want to ruin what I've got at the minute in that crease. I'm not sure whether I want to do Candy Floss, which is this pinky iridescent colour, or whether I want to do Sweetner, which is this goldy yellow pink colour, or if I want to do Donor, which is a bronze shimmer there. So I've decided I'm going to go in with Sweetner, which is that goldy pink shade. So apply this into the centre. What kind of pigment that is. So I'm just using a flat brush. Now I don't want to make a cut crease, I just want it to look blown out. I'm just patting the colouring out up towards the crease. This will help with the blend as well. I want majority of that colour in the centre of my lid. Okay, so I'm happy with that. So for the brow bone, I'm going to go with Glucose, which is that white shade. And just highlight a little on the brows. So I'm just going to dust off this bake now, so I can work on the lower lash line. So the lower lash line, I'm going to go with this colour right here, which is Blood Sugar. It looks like this. I pick up a pencil brush and use the colour Candy Floss in the inner corner of my eye, just to bring some light back in. Then I'm going to pick up my highlighter in Amrezy from Anastasia to use on my brow bone. I don't know what to do for a lip colour. For lip, I'm going to go with Utopia from Limecrime. So this is basically the look, guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well if you haven't already, and hopefully I'll see you all soon. Bye!